Welcome you all. Today we are going to see how to fix the automatic volume drop bug in our laptop Windows 11. So whenever I try to increase my audio level, it is automatically decreasing. So go to troubleshooting settings first. Add the other troubleshooters and click playing audio. Now you can see all the volumes are already in mute. Whenever I try to increase the audio, it is automatically decreasing. So I cannot find the online solution also. So we will try another methods to fix this issue. Go to the device manager. Click speaker option in audio. So you have to fix first. Need to update the drivers first to be the latest update. Right click the speaker and update now. Browse my computer drivers. You have to click. So you can see the best drivers you have already installed that it is showing. So you have we will check in another option also, sound video game controllers. It is also same, the latest one has already updated. So we came to know there is no issue with the driver. Then we have to check for the third method to solve the issue. Now you have to open the control panel option, search for audio option, and go to sound option. Then you can see there was another headphone also I connected, so now I disconnect that. So you have to do following things to resolve the issue. Now check with the properties. In audio level, I'll check for try to increase the audio level, but I can't do it. It's automatically decreasing as earlier. So we need to check that for communication. So it was the major cause for the issue. It is initially in reduce the volume audio by 50 to 80%. So now I switched to do nothing. So this was the issue. Now it is fixed. Yeah, thanks for the support.